Channel 8058 Unboxing. Install the holder. Comes with magnets. Stable. Install ink bottle holder. Fix the shelf that hooks. Install the waste ink bottle. Install the auto white and paste stirring ink bottle. Installing the pipeline. Connecting. Comes with DTF sheet film holder. Easy storage. It can also install DTF roll film. Tighten the hinge, leaving a little space in the middle to facilitate placing it on the shelf. By leaving gaps, it is easy to place on the shelf. Install the DTF film into printer. Adjustable bayonet. Use display. Sprinkle with powder evenly. Put in the DTF oven and melting. Place the printed pattern on the canvas bag and transfer the pattern. Peel off the film. Clear pattern. Fit without warping. Suitable for a variety of textile items. And of course clothes. Start your creation now.